It is week 5 here on the mini braids hair growth challenge. On this channel, I'm using mini braids to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong. In today's video, I'll be talking to you about some of the issues that I'm experiencing 5 weeks in of having these mini braids on my natural hair. Also giving you some hints and tips on how to overcome those problems. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. Week 5, I managed to get some treatment on my hair. I actually had like a hairdresser sort of situation happening, and so I had my hair washed. I did a treatment underneath the hooded dryer, and I was really wanting to give myself a little treat. And so I got a nice steam on my hair, but about this sort of week, I noticed that my hair was starting to break a lot at the front. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I did notice, I think I did mention in one of my videos that I was starting to lose hair at the front of my hair or even at the sides. And I was saying that it was due to hormonal stresses why I was losing hair. And so week 5 in, I was really noticing that my mini braids was, the length at the very front was really different to the sides. And so I could see some breakage happening. Now, this channel is all about documenting my natural hair journey, the highs, the lows, and everything between. I will be very transparent on this channel, sharing with you exactly what is going on. Now, of course, you can see the back of my hair is growing great, but the front of my hair is definitely looking a lot shorter. Now, I have a theory that because I've been redoing the front of my hair more than I've been doing the back, that could be a reason. It could also be because it is a lot more stressful side of my hair, so it's getting all the tension from pulling my hair back in a ponytail, etc. It could be hormones, it could be a variety of things. But for whatever reason it is, the sides of my hair is really breaking off. Now, in this video, you can see the difference in the length of my hair. Now, I've always had the sides of my hair be shorter than the rest of my hair, so that's not really alarming. However, I will show you later on in the video when I decided to redo some of my hair. It was really breaking and actually quite alarming. I'm not quite sure why I was getting so much breakage. Now, as I said before, the rest of my hair is doing really well, and I'm not quite worried about it at this stage. But with the amount of breakage and shedding that I've seen from this section of my hair, I think it's quite a little bit anxious of taking these down to see if there's further breakage. Now, it doesn't matter if there is further breakage. This is my natural hair journey. Whatever obstacle there is, we are going to get through this. So I'm showing you there some of what I was saying earlier in the video. You can see that it's definitely breakage. It's not long hairs, it's short hairs that's breaking. Now, I haven't really done very much more in my routine other than it's been summer, so I'm not quite sure what is going on. Of course, our hair goes through cycles. It's not always growing. Sometimes it's shedding, sometimes it's breaking. And like a material, of course, it's going to have wear and tear. And so I'm not too precious about losing some hair. Like if it was coming out in clumps, I would really be worried about my health and wanting to get that checked out. But the breakage could be due to the way I was styling my hair. You can see where it's maintaining length, it is still really long. However, I'm seeing that where it's breaking out, my hair is still going back to thin. And I'm also noticing probably this is the cycle of my hair. So I will have a few good years of growing it out and then it will thin out and I will lose some hair. Never mind, whatever the reason is, we will get to see what condition my hair is in after the 12 weeks. Now, if you are on this challenge, this is week 5 for you. You are noticing any signs of breakage, your hair is not really looking how it's supposed to look, my encouragement to you at this point is to take down your mini braids. If you have any concerns, any issues over your mini braids, take it down and try to investigate further. I could not take these out because of the busyness of my life, so they are in, but I did decide to redo the fronts and just to give them a freshener. Now, breakage to your hair could be for a variety of reasons. As I've said, changing product, changing weather, changing environment, changing hormones. Whatever the reason is, it's just the main important thing is not to panic. It's just hair. However, we do want to grow it long, and so we need to keep an eye. I did, as you see, give it a steam treatment and did add some protein there, some quite strong protein, because of course protein would also help our hair to stop breakage. So I've done the treatment. I'm still seeing the breakage. I'm just not going to panic. I'm going to keep doing everything that I'm doing to my hair. And if it is breakage, if it's a lot of breakage, I will nurse it back to health. So at this stage, I'm just going to redo the sides of my hair. And as I said, this is where I really noticed that my hair is really broken off at the sides of my hair. And quite bad, actually. I was quite struggling to actually put these corners in because there was not very much hair to catch. Once again, this is sort of normal for me. And as I said, this is a little bit hormonal right here at the sides where I'm doing. And once again, the rest of my hair is doing fantastically well. And I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm just not going to panic at this setback. I'm just going to keep going. And once we get to 12 weeks, we will see the extent of the shedding. As I said, my suspicion is that probably my hair is just going through shedding and breakage, which is absolutely normal. Our hair goes through cycles. But because this is the only patch I can deal with at this section, I'm just seeing it in the section. And when I take down the rest of it, I'll be able to deal with what's going on. I know I won't lose all the hair on my head, but I will be experiencing some amount of breakage based on this hair. Now, do not panic. This is hopefully your hair is doing fantastically well. This is just something that my hair is going through. And as I said, I'm confident in using mini braids to grow my natural hair. Mini braids is fantastic for growing your natural hair. It is giving me results. You can see that my hair is really, really growing in this. So do not use this video as the setback to sort of mark where you are on. If you are getting growth and you're doing all your weekly routine and maintenance, keep going. However, as I've said before, try not, if you've never done a 12-week challenge before, do not go past certain markers. So probably check a week 4 if your hair is locking, if it's breaking, whatever, and I'll take them down and redo them just to keep more of an eye on your hair. I couldn't take these out because, as I said, studying, do lots of different things, I was not able to take all of these down, and so they was going to stay in. However, I am aware that my hair is breaking, and I'm just going to put it at the side until I can deal with all of it together. But yeah, how I'm feeling week 5? Week 5 is a little bit of a bump in the road. So once again, the main things you can do for breakage is to like minimize the amount of styling that you're doing to that area. As I said, I think that I'm also having breakup and flare up of dermatitis, as I'm showing you there as well. So hormones, all of this stuff that's going on. My main thing is to keep it conditioned, add protein where necessary, keep going, not to panic, and keep doing what my hair needs me to do. If I start to panic at this stage, you know, I'll lose more hair, because of course you will lose hair when you are stressed. And so here is the final result. It does look fantastic. It doesn't look as bad as I was saying. However, I am aware that with the amount of shedding and breakage that I got at the front, perhaps when I take down the back, I might get a lot more. However, I'm very happy with the way my hair is looking. 5 weeks on, I'm getting fantastic growth, which is especially shown in the back of my hair. I'm going to keep going. I'm encouraging you to keep going. Hope you're having a really good week 5, better than I'm having. And I'm still here rooting for you. Doesn't matter what happens on my natural hair journey. I will share that with you, share with you how I'm feeling. And if there's any obstacles, any setbacks, we will get over it together. I will say though, the feeling for locking my hair is growing stronger. And so I'm keeping an eye on that. And I probably will be locking my hair. But for now, my mini braids are doing fantastic. They're growing out very well. It's getting longer. And you can see all the growth that is there. And you can see that my hair looks really, really well. Once again, breakage and shedding is just a normal part of our natural hair journey. Please do not panic if you are in the same stage as me where you are seeing growth. You're seeing breakage or shedding. Please do not panic. Just keep doing what you're doing to your hair and just keep an eye on it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it was beneficial for you to see my week 5 update. Also sharing with you a little bit of issues that I'm having on my mini braids on week 5. I look forward to seeing you in week 6. Once again, this might be the point where you take down these mini braids and reinstall them if you've never gone 12 weeks before. Other than that, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Take care, and I will see you in my next video.